Hey guys, wanna know how to add templates or use templates in Taskade? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, open up your Taskade application or you can go through the browser as well. Now in your workspace, navigate towards home and click on projects. And on the right side right here, there is something called create new. Simply click on it once. And here, there will be the templates menu. And there will be two options like create template and browse templates. Now since we want to know how it is used, let's just simply click on browse templates. And here you can see there are various AI templates that you can use that is free as well. Now let's just click on any template that we want. Scroll down to preview it and you will be shown how the AI template works. And if you want to add it, just simply click on use this template. Choose your workspace and then Taskade will automatically copy your template right here. Now as you can see, in your workspace you have your bullet journals. It's as easy and simple as that. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.